quick way to set up your service appointments with your students would be to click on Service Capture and then view your service calendar. I'm going to change it to month view. You can change it to day, week, or month. Once here, I'm on the 13th, so I want to select the student and then right click. I want to schedule future services. Here's the student's name, my name, service I want to schedule. Let's say intervention service today. Let's say it was at 1 p.m. today. The duration was 60 minutes. Session size had 1 student. Notes. Hit save. And here it shows you my scheduled appointments I had. Let's go back to month view. Here you can see the services. If you want to record a past service, say you forgot or you had written on a physical calendar that you met this past Tuesday or Monday with a student, this is how you would record a past service. Or you can schedule future services by clicking Future. And let's find, let's say the 23rd. And we're supposed to have a occupational therapy individual at 9 a.m. It's supposed to be a 45-minute session, one-on-one. Progress notes will leave blank. That's from the session. Hit save. And then when I want to access that, when the day comes around, it'll show up in my calendar, but I can change to the month. Double-click the appointment when the student comes in, make notes, save notes. We can access reports. We can do the service calendar completed for students or my completed services. I click my completed services. Shows me I haven't completed any for September. August, here's my completed services. July, here's my other completed services I had. I can print this, or I can go to a service listing, and it gives me each session broken down, what was covered. I can print this out, pass it along, do whatever I want with it. Go back to service calendar to enter more information, see my whole month view by month. I can set up my whole year if I know my appointments.